I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup vlog. And today I am going to be reviewing the latest from Ipsy. I believe this might be the Glam Plus bag for July. Let's see. Yeah, I think it is. Look at how pretty this is. What do you see? Is that gorgeous or what? It says Stay Golden, which is definitely a priority for June, July, and August because it is officially summer. It's 96 degrees currently in New York City. I'm debating whether or not I should do up a face look. I already have my face made up. I just came from outside. So I think I'm just gonna do an unboxing here, and then for certain pieces, if you want, you'll let me know in the comments below what you would like to see tried and tested. So let's just dig in here. We have a card, wonderful, and it reads, Stay Golden. Okay. And this is not the one that has the price breakdowns. It does have a bronzing 101 feature if you're something useful for you to read. It looks pretty stock full. Let's see what I have in here. In no particular order, because I think my add-ons are in here as well. I know I ordered some add-ons, so it's going to be a serious package this one. I got the Juice Beauty prebiotics. Ooh, love Juice Beauty, so I'm really excited. Their eye serum, love it, and they have like a little piece that's on it that's very cooling, and then it adapts like right by your eye area here. It's so nice. That's the one thing I like about it. This is something slightly different. This is an instant flash facial. Definitely want to try that. Next thing I have in here is, oh, I got brushes from MOTD, and I think these are face brushes, like the complexion, foundation, and bronzer. So I'm really excited about that. Okay. The next thing I have in here is for the skin. It's Pore Purifying Cleanser from Dr. Brandt. Ooh, you know me, I love things that clean the face as well as moisturize and protect the face. So what else do I have in here? I have something else from Juice Beauty. What? This is their SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. Definitely need for the summer. Came just in time. Can't wait to use it. Oh, it's a little beat up, but it's okay. I'm sure it's all right. This looks a little smushed. Please tell me you're okay. Yeah, it looks like we're good. Just the box took a beating. But this is what it looks like. And again, I'll put the prices for all of these, which is why you won't see my reaction to passing out on the price break. I know Bite isn't cheap, so. And it's vegan, so that's great. Next product is, ooh. Oh wait, another brush. I think it's from MOTD. No, it's called Mr. Handyman. I think it's supposed to be a more than one use type of brush. So I definitely am gonna try that out. I'm so grateful that I got like tools and skincare. I'm already loving it. Let's keep going. The next thing I have here is from Basic Beauty. I wonder, Basic Beauty. I don't think I've heard of the brand. So how do we open this? This is what it looks like. Okay. Oh, it's Bronzy AF. This is a bronzer palette. Okay. Very retro, the packaging. Reminds me of a little Dollface. Dollface did something similar, like at that pale pink look. Oh, these are gorgeous. These are gorgeous. Let's see how it creamy, nice, smooth. Okay, I think we have a winner here. A little patchy, but it comes out very creamy, especially the first one. I like, and it has a mirror, which is awesome. It would have been great if it came with a kabuki brush or something. That would have been fierce. Like if it had a secret compartment, it popped out and it was a kabuki style with the same color as this. That would have been fierce. That, my friends, would have been fierce. Okay, what else? This I specifically picked, I think, for my mom, because she, I know, deals with her brows a lot. This is called Brow Chow. And this is a medium brown, and I figured she would love it. So this she's definitely getting. Yeah, it's called Brow Chow. This is what it looks like. I don't think she'd mind me showing it, but look at that. You see it's like a little brush handle right there? That's so cute. So I guess once you put the product in, that is really, really smart. I think she'll like that. And this because I figured I'm never gonna see this again, so I might as well grab it because it was in the add-ons. But Fenty Beauty. Yes, 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 yes. Don't own anything from Fenty, but now I do. So exciting. And yeah, this was in their add-on feature. And I got one in unattached and the other in unlocked. Definitely my colors. I will be featuring them in a future video, I promise. Just trying to get my ducks in a row and just be focused enough in order to film, because it takes quite a bit to film. But again, I'm loving this bag. Ipsy, you did it again. It's gorgeous. I'm loving to have some for the lips. I probably could try and even, you know, use a little bit for blush. The only thing that's really missing for me is maybe a mascara or, yeah, something for the eye. But I do have, you know, the bronzer, so that's nice. Especially for summer, all you really need is good skincare, strong SPF and sunscreen, and a nice, beautiful, bright lipstick, and you're done. So I think it's amazing, my recent Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. That's a mouthful. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to checking out this video, and I hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.